people, welcome to my channel. Keep watching the video.
First comes fresh raw medium sized prawn, chopped tomatoes, garlic, ginger green chili, onion and tamarind or imli water. Then comes the spices, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seed and a bay leaf. There goes some mustard oil in a preheated pan. After spreading it all over, I am dropping a bay leaf and adding some cumin seeds. There goes chopped garlic, green chilies. I've already added smashed ginger and then I'm adding the onions. Stirring it well in medium flame. I've already added turmeric powder. There comes some cumin powder or jeera. Kashmiri red chili powder. Then I'm adding all the chopped tomatoes. Here comes the key ingredient, which is the prawn. Now I am mixing the prawn with all the vegetables. Adding some salt to taste. Then I'm adding the tamarind water or the imli water for the tanginess. And covering the lid for some time. When our dish is almost ready, I'm spreading some coriander leaves. And finally taking it down.